Hello everyone and welcome to my art channel. My name is Angela Mutavi and today I am going to do another painting. And it will be a Dutch pour, and I am going to use only four colors. I'm going to use phthalo blue, I'm going to use regular light blue, gold and red. So, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer to blow out the paint, and I'm going to use the base, like the house paint, white. So the canvas will be covered with white. So let's get started. Let's get started and see how this comes out. This is my third painting, so hopefully it will come out pretty good. So we basically just pour the white all over the canvas. See how nicely it flows. This is how it should be. Very light for Dutch pour. I try to say it should not be thick. It should be very like honey consistency, or even I'll say warm honey, I would say. So we'll see what happens. Right now I'm just spreading the paint all over my canvas. And what I did, it's this canvas, I got this canvas from the dollar store. Again, I'm still, in my early stages of learning how to do these pours. So this is completely covered. So the next step is to start pouring. After pouring, if I have any colors that are left, basically what I do is I'm gonna put them back in their bottles and save them for the next pour. Put extra base color around, and then after that we are going to blow. We're going to torch it, that way we can get all the bubbles out. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, it's in every color I put some of this. It's treadmill silicon, 100% silicon. So that basically what that does is it helps with cells. If you want cells, it helps with those. So we'll see. You can see how those bubbles are popping. So it's good to pop the bubbles before you start blowing your paint, because then they'll pop and it's going to be all over your painting and it's not going to look good. So what we'll do is we'll blow the white over and then over again, and then we'll spread the way you So that made a little bit of a noise, but gave me a beautiful, beautiful painting. Look at these cells. Pretty awesome. I like it. Very, very nice. Wow, look at that. I like the red, the you can see the red and the gold in there. I know there's a lot of cells that need to come out. But yeah, this is how it came out. I like it a lot. It's got white, red, 2 shades of blue, and gold, and then white is the base. There, yeah. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family. God bless. Bye.